To gain an NVIDIA certificate, today we'll complete a task under Generative AI with diffusion models, which is denoising diffusion probabilistic models, which is here you can see. Then here you watch the complete video. After that, click on the start button, which is here. Until that, if you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. It will motivate me to create more content. After waiting for 15 minutes, I got the launch here. Now we'll click on launch. After clicking launch, it will pull us here in the next tab. Then we'll just double click on this two diffusion models. We'll just double click on it and it will come here. Here we'll scroll down and see the same thing we have to do what we have done in the first challenge. So we'll click here and we'll click on this run button, which is above here. See, now star is coming. We'll wait for a while. Let it become 1. Then now see 1 came here, so we'll scroll down and see here. We'll click on this. We'll click on the run button. Here 2 came. Now again we'll scroll down and we'll click here and we'll run it. This will be our third one. So see, now we'll wait for a while. It may take some time, but we have to wait. Now 3 came. Again we'll scroll down here. We'll click on this run button. And guys, one thing I wanna add here, like you can use these kind of things in your minor project. Like I have seen BTech people, guys, in every semester they want some kind of projects, and while doing this, I think we can reach 3 to 4 projects from here. You can, so if you are completing this, you can directly show this to your in charges that I have done this kind of projects. So it will be a plus point for you guys. See, now 6 came. Now here we'll go for the 7th one. Now here 8th one. But you have to read what all are written here to show these in your minor projects or major projects. Then only they will know that yeah, you have done everything by your own. Now 8th one we have done. This will be also, I think, 9th one. We'll just check it. Yeah, this will be our 9th one. And 9 came. Now again we'll click on this run button. For 10 we'll wait. And one more thing I want to add here, if you are completing this only for the certificate, then you can complete this within a day, not even a day. You can complete all this within an hour. And if you are doing for knowledge, please read what all are written here. Now see here, we have completed the 12th. You just pay attention here. Here see 3 dots are there. Click on that and here it will open a new code for you. Here click on that. This will be our 13th one. After this 3 dot, then this will come here. 13 came. Here we'll click on this 14. Now see, after 14 3 dots are there. We'll click on that and we'll run this also. So we have to do like that. In between there are some changes that I'll be letting you know. And here also sometimes we are getting the code to run, sometimes we are getting the dots, so no issue in that. We'll just run it. 18 done. Now we'll go for the 19th one and here 20 and here 21, then it will be our 22. Just I'm clicking that and I'm just clicking on this run button, which is above here. These all things are done in Python 3, so this is not a very big headache to understand and do, but this we can use in the future studies. See, now for 13 one, I think it's, yeah, for 23 one, it will take time. Like it will load these all images, so we'll wait here and we'll just check it. Until that, if you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. It will motivate me to create more contents like this. See, now 23 is done. We'll scroll down and here it will be our second last one, which is 24th one. We'll wait. Sometimes it may take 10 to 20 minutes, guys, so be patient and do everything. 24 is done and here last one. We'll click on this. After that, click on the save button, which is here. See, now circle is there. Now it's gone, so it's saved. Now come to the place from where we have launched it. Now here click on stop task, then click on confirm. So we have successfully completed the second task. We'll meet in the third task, but before that, please like and subscribe to my channel, guys. It will motivate me to create more content. Thank you for watching, guys.